Hi, our next dish we're going to prepare for you off our menu is a rosemary chicken breast. So what I have here is I have 2 fresh seasoned chicken breasts, and we're going to make a quick marinade here. And what I have is some honey that we're going to add in here, a tablespoon of honey. And then from there, equal parts of balsamic vinegar, equal parts of infused rosemary oil, teaspoon of lemon juice and grated lemon, some chopped fresh rosemary, and just a smidge of crushed garlic. Now this marinade can be prepared hours before or the night before, and have it submerged and covered on your chicken breast, and you can broil them off anytime. Here we're just making a quick marinade now just to cover the chicken, and we're going to broil these off. Okay, we're going to just put them on our broiler here. And they generally take about 3 to 4 minutes aside. We have our seasoned chicken breasts broiling right now. Just going to give them a quick quarter turn here. Now to accompany these chickens, what I would like to do is make a red wine sauce, a red wine rosemary sauce, to nap over the chicken breasts, and then we'll have our starch, which will be a creamy garlic mashed potatoes, and then I have some fresh vegetables that I've cut thin so we can cook evenly. I have some butternut squash, some red peppers, and some zucchini, and we're going to slightly saute these up with a little bit of sugar, oil, and butter. So we'll start off with our sauce, again using some rosemary oil. Add some onion or shallot to it. Touch of garlic. Some chopped fresh rosemary. Just gonna sweat that out a little bit. And then from there, I'd like to add our Merlot, our red wine. What I'd like to do is try to reduce this and concentrate as much flavor as I can from it. You can see the alcohol burning off now. Now I have some prepared dark chicken stock we're going to add to it. And we're just going to let that reduce. And we'll adjust some seasonings at the very end. Flip over our chickens. Light seasoning to it. Okay, so we have our chicken and our sauce, and I have some garlic mashed potatoes already warming up here. We'll leave that aside. I'll turn that down because there is milk in it and we don't want it to burn. Next, to finish our dish, we're going to have our vegetables. So again, I'm just going to add a little bit of garlic oil here. Crisp these up. Okay. I have a little bit of granulated sugar here. Sweeten them up a bit. Touch of salt and pepper. see the sugar's coming out and help me browning the vegetables. Okay, so our sauce is reducing well here. I'm just gonna thicken it a little bit. Here I have a mixture of cornstarch and water. In culinary terms, it's called a slurry. And what this is gonna do is it's not gonna really thicken it as much, but it will bring and bind the flavors together. Also give it a little shine. Just gonna add a little bit to it right now. Switch around. You can see it's already shining up and binding all the ingredients together, so I'm gonna shut that off. Our vegetables are nice and seared and seasoned. Shut that, and our chickens look like they're ready to come off the broiler, so we can begin plating now. We're gonna start with our starch. As I said, we have a nice seasoned garlic mashed potatoes. Just gonna put that in the center of the plate. We're gonna take our marinated seasoned chicken breasts and we're just gonna place it right on top of the mashed potatoes. Vegetables, again, there's zucchini and butternut squash and red peppers, red bell peppers. There. Just gonna wipe the side of the plate here. Okay, and we're left with our red wine rosemary sauce. Just gonna drizzle right on top. Fresh rosemary, and then we'll finish it with the garnish. And that's our grilled rosemary chicken breast dish.